Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel where I review digital products in the affiliate marketing space, and also where you can find some tips and tricks that I put up and my how-to videos. So today what I'm wanting to do is review a product called Warlord Secrets, and this product is going to launch on Tuesday, the 14th of September at 10 AM Eastern Standard Time. Now that is 4 PM in Spain and 3 PM in the UK. Now this launch is going to be available until the 17th of September and it will end at 11:59 Eastern Standard Time. Now the product is brought to you by Phillip Johanson, Dan Kahn, and the beta tester and person who has used this method and made money. He is going to show you what he did. His name is Will Weatherly. So what I want to do first is take a quick look at the sales page for this product, and later in the video I do have access to the members dashboard, so we can go over and have a sneak preview inside of the members area. And what I want to do is take a look at the bonuses that I have available when you purchase or when you grab this product through my link, which will be the first link in the description below this video. So let's go over now and have a look at the sales page. Okay, so here we are on the sales page for Warlord Secrets, and it is a training program and a software to automate some of the posts. So basically then it's a way to make passive income, 5 minutes of work without having to create any content or use any paid ads, because it's using free methods. Now, the person who is delivering some of this training is Will Weatherly. Basically, this is make money online for newbies. It's easy, it's passive income, everything you need to generate unlimited traffic's in one place, and you can basically generate sales, follow the step-by-step process in the over-shoulder training. And there's a case study in there of how the person has made his money, but we can have a look at that next. So here it is, Will's story, how he wasted money on Shopify and tried to run a drop shipping business online, which didn't work. And then how he thought, right, he needs to find a different way, and that's how he thought up this new method of getting traffic to his pages and sales of product. So this is Warlord Secrets. Now what I'll do next is we'll take a look at the members area, and then lastly, we'll check out my bonus page and the bonuses I have available. So this is the members area for Warlord Secrets. And there's two other product creators and JVs who are launching this product, is Phillip Johanson and Dan Kahn. Now, on the welcome area, there's welcome by Phillip and a welcome by Dan Kahn. And then we have how 43,000 in 7 days, basic testimonial, and the sign up for the free training is there. And then there's the case study and overview, in this section here, and that is by Will Weatherly. Then there's the main training in this section here, which is basically the product is using a platform called Quora. Now Quora is a platform where people ask questions and look for answers. So when you sign up for Quora, wherever somebody's asked a question, you can actually go in there and answer that. Now if you can answer that question in depth, there is a way that you can actually send traffic or to another page which is not inside of Quora, and that is where you take people outside, and then that is how you can then monetize the answers within Quora. And what this training does is take you through step by step that process of how to do that. So it's identifying the questions which have got high traffic, so that's the buyer questions, navigating the search, then using keyword techniques to discover more questions that can be answered, or questions you can pause and answer the questions, additional keyword hacks, and then how you can generate content, because quite often you might not be able to think up of how you're going to answer or what content you can create. So this video actually takes you through a quick, simple method to generate content that you can actually post on Quora. Now this is another video that's staying safe on Quora, so how to not raise eyebrows or get your account banned or whatever. So that's another video there. And then this video here is about monetization, and it's basically an underground way of monetizing a post or an answer that you've given. And this is 3 times your traffic, which is another video, so you can actually multiply the amount of traffic that you receive. And then this is the section 2, the automated software, where you can basically then use this software to automate some of the process. So it's a software and it's a training product. And then this section here is all about the upgrades within the funnel, which I'll take you through when we visit my bonus page, which we can do next. So my bonus page is here for Warlord Secrets, and this is how it looks. Any of these yellow buttons here will take you through to the sales page for Warlord Secrets. And like I say, it's got results back method, because Will Weatherly's already used this to gain extra traffic, and he shows you the proof of that. How he's using Quora to get thousands of views on the posts that he's creating to answer questions. The front end of this product is $12.95, and I believe there's a discount on that at the front end. It's a 30% discount, which pops up on the sales page when you first land there. Then there's the upgrade 1, $27, upgrade 2, $37, upgrade 3, $97, upgrade 4, $67, upgrade 5, $97. And there are some downsells. You can take a look at the downsells on the page when you click through, where my link will be in the description below here. Now this is what the different upsells are, and it explains more in depth. So let's take a look at the bonuses I have available if you decide to purchase Warlord through my link. The first one is access to Jono's YouTube ads course. Now, Jono uses YouTube's extensively, so he must be an expert on YouTube videos and YouTube ads by now. So this is a great course to discover how you can actually tap into YouTube ads as well. My bonus 2 is build your buyers list while profiting. So instead of sending your leads or putting a freebie on to generate leads, why not have something that is actually a low ticket price? So this course will show you how you build your buyers list while also making a profit. Bonus number 3 is how to make an email capture, so how to make a basic email capture page. And bonus number 4 is get the high ticket mastery course, but it's only available for the first 24 hours. So that will be once this product launches, you got 24 hours, in the first 24 hours in order to purchase and get bonus number 4 thrown in. So And bonus number 5, obviously all of the vendor bonuses will still be available even when you click through my link for your product. And this is how you would actually get access to the bonuses through the Warrior Plus receipt and the blue button here at the bottom. So that is all of the bonuses that I have for the Warlord Secrets software and training program. So if you like these videos and you want to see more how-to videos, why don't you drop a comment and say what it is that you're looking to find out more about, and I can see if I can put you up a how-to video. So see you on the next review. Bye for now.